guys, welcome back to Yalan App. For today's video, we're going to show you how to apply for a job at KFC. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So first thing you need to do here, you need to open up any browser that you have and go to google.com. Now from Google, what we need to do is we just need to type in the following, which is going to be KFC jobs. Now you should be able to see a link that says careers.kfc.com. Now from here, go ahead and open up that link. Now from here, this should redirect you to the KFC careers website. Now from here, what we need to do is we need to scroll down a bit here and we need to enter the following details. That includes your date of birth and your current postcode. So in this case, since I'm currently in Australia, it's going to redirect me to careers in Australia for KFC. Let's go ahead and enter our date of birth here and the postcode. So for example, I'm going to enter this one and click on find a job near you. Now from here, what we need to do next is we need to basically choose where we want to apply. So there's going to be a bunch of locations here. Like for example, there are going to be team members available on the following sections here. So for example, maybe you want to apply for KFC Lee. Let's go and choose team member and click on apply now. Now the next page, what you need to do is you just need to fill out all the information. Like for example, the introduction about yourself, your details, your address here, and also your availability about yourself and some final checks regarding yourself. In this case, just fill out all the necessary details here to submit your application and they will reach out to you regarding your application here. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yalan App. Thank you for watching.